Hello everyone! So today we are gonna make a Korean dish called Kimbap. To make this recipe for one person you will need 1 sheet of nori, 75 grams of sushi rice, 1 egg, 1 little carrot, a quarter of a cucumber, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, a half tin of tuna, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and a little bit of salt. First of all, you will have to cook the rice in salted water on medium heat. It will take about 20 minutes. While the rice is cooking, peel the carrot and the cucumber. Cut the cucumber and carrot into thin slivers. Then, mix the tuna with the mayonnaise. If you want, you can grill the sesame seeds in the pan until they are golden. When the rice is ready, drain it with a colander and let it to cool off totally. Once it's done, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and add sesame seeds. Then mix it all together. Now we're gonna mix 3 eggs with a little bit of salt. Then put the oil to heat up in a pan and add the egg mix when it's hot. When it's cooked, cut it into 1 cm slivers. Now we're going to assemble the kimbap. First of all, you will have to spread out the nori sheet and spread a level of sesame rice. Then put the carrots and cucumbers on the rice on the side facing you. Add a sliver of the omelette. Put some tuna on top of the carrots and cucumbers. Then roll the nori sheet around the filling. Wrap the kimbap in plastic film and leave it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. And now you can enjoy!